Now, I'll show you how to create a beautiful printout of your tree from MyHeritage. First, you need to download a GEDCOM file from the site, so you'll have to log in. Enter your username and password. MyHeritage requires a verification code sent to your email. Now that I'm logged in, I need to select the correct site. You might have more than one, but I'm going with the second one. Hover over Family Tree, and from the drop-down menu, click Manage Trees. Here, you'll find the Export to GEDCOM option. I don't need anything beyond the standard settings, so you can uncheck everything else. I'll receive an email with the file. It should look like this. Just click Download to save the file to your computer. Once it's downloaded, the last step is to upload it to ClanCharts.com.